Shenzhen Feihongda New Material Co. Limited has been focusing on the new material industry for more than 10 years. Quality production. We have a professional production team and dozens of advanced production equipment. Strictly control every process and adhere to a responsible attitude to produce high-quality products. Promote the high-quality development of the new material industry. R&D and testing. In our advanced material laboratory, products can be developed and tested according to customer needs, and the experimental data can be analyzed in detail to ensure the best effect of the product. Die-cut packaging. We can cut out the corresponding size according to the customer's requirements. After checking and confirming, we will pack it properly and deliver it to you.